everyone, I got another cool video for you today. I installed the 6th light intake on my 25 Elantra N. These are not officially on the website anymore, but you can call and have it what they call pieced together. And it's about the same price. It's right around $200. I did find mine on Facebook Marketplace for a really good deal, and I'm really pleased with it. So I'm gonna install it today, show you some sound clips. I decided to change it up. I did my own DIY intake with the open filter in the engine bay, but I wasn't a big fan of the hot air intake or pulling in hot engine bay air. This utilizes the stock air box and helps it breathe a little better. So I'm really happy about that. I feel like the car has more response and a little better top end power. Maybe it's just in my head and the intakes don't make a huge difference for these cars apparently, but I'm really pleased with the way it turns out. I have some sound clips for you guys. A lot of people were not sure if it sounds any different from stock, and honestly, it doesn't really sound any different from stock. The only time is maybe at wide open throttle when the window is down, but it's very, very minimal, nothing you would really notice. All right guys, let's get started installing the intake. First thing I'm gonna do is take off the engine cover. It just pulls right off upwards. Panel lock. And I'm going to unscrew the clamps for the airbox and the clamp for the turbo inlet. I'm going to take this clamp off. This piece should be able to be wiggled off. Here's the intake elbow, and this is what connects it to the turbo inlet pipe right here. I'm going to put this logo down so you cannot see it. So I'll do it something like this. And then I will put the hose clamps on. I'll pre-tighten them and connect it just like this. I'm using a really short screwdriver back here because there's not a lot of room between the cowl. I'm gonna keep this piece loose down here so I can articulate and twist this to make sure this hose lines up. And then I'm going to toss on this piece, which connects this to the airbox and that breather hose. So I'm gonna put the hose clamps on first and then slide it onto the intake pipe. And then put it on. Before I tighten down these clamps, I'm gonna put the panel filter in. Here it is. Pretty cool. It says made in the USA right here. I'm just gonna slide this hose in. It looks like this little piece should come out in order to connect to this.